Welcome to my channel. Install Arlo wire-free smart home security camera. Step 1. Launch the Arlo Secure app. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Add New Device. Step 3. On the Select Your Arlo Device screen, tap Cameras. Step 4. On the Select Your Arlo Model screen, tap Others. Step 5. On the Legacy screen, tap Arlo. Step 6. Select an Arlo Smart Hub or Arlo base station. Step 7. Insert the batteries into the camera. Unlock the battery compartment by sliding and holding the latch. Insert the batteries as shown and close the battery door and tap Continue. Step 8. Press the sync button on the camera for about 2 seconds and then release the button. Step 9. When the LED on the camera is blinking blue, tap Continue. Step 10. Arlo will begin looking for your camera. Step 11. Name your Arlo camera and tap Continue and tap Finish. Thanks for watching.